Yo, what is up everyone and welcome back to another video. You already know what today is. I'm going to be doing a elastic band watermelon challenge and see if it explodes. So I know you guys have probably been waiting for this one. I've been waiting for this one. It's kind of fun to do. It's kind of just like a generic thing that every YouTuber does. The trend is kind of old now, but you know, I just wanted to try it because it seems fun. So we're going to do that right now. So stay tuned. It's a nice hot day outside. Got me motivated to come and do this video. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Peace. Guys, if you're ever doing this challenge, I definitely recommend to put like some garbage bags underneath the table, just in case when the watermelon like explodes, all the stuff doesn't go everywhere, and then you gotta pick it up after. You can just wrap up the garbage bag and it's all already in there. So pretty easy for you guys. So yeah, there you go. So guys, the time has come. I set up everything at the table, got garbage bags, and safety's number one priority, so always wear your safety glasses when doing stuff like this. I have a bat right here because if this doesn't end up working out, I'm just gonna smash the hell out of this watermelon. And it should take about half an hour, maybe more. And I got a very small watermelon because I couldn't find a bigger one, so it's already condensed, so I don't know if the pressure will make it pop. It might take a lot of elastics. I got them all right here, but we're gonna try this out and see how it works, and hopefully we got a good finish right here. So we're gonna get right to this shit. See you guys. So guys, I'm about halfway through here, and I'm starting to see a little bit of like an indent in the watermelon, so that's good. A couple more minutes, probably like maybe 10 more minutes, 15 minutes, and I think this thing's ready to explode. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. And yeah, I learned a strategy. Instead of doing one by one where it takes forever, I'm grabbing like 4 elastics at a time and putting it on, so it's less time, you know. So yeah, be ready for the explosion, guys. It's coming up next. Don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a little indent right here starting to form. Just on this side though, it's weird. It's like the thing is like watermelon is like tilted this way a bit. But my fingers are like killing right now and shit, but we're gonna keep going. So what is up guys, it's day 2 here, and I left this watermelon inside overnight, and I'm hoping it didn't pop overnight. It kind of did make the side go in a little bit more, so I'm happy it didn't pop overnight because that would suck waking up and the watermelon's just all over the floor in your kitchen. So it's day 2 here. I ran out of elastic bands, so I got some more and already put them on here, and now I'm just grabbing like random stuff like strings and zip ties and still seeing if I can get it to pop. So let's try it. Bright side, at least I didn't have to roll up these rubber bands again. Like, they just all went on ball, so we're all good. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys liked that video. That was a lot of fun to make. It was a 2-day process because I ran out of like the elastic bands and shit, but at the end of the day, it was pretty cool. Got to see I had to give it a couple whacks for it to crack at first. And then like I let it go a little bit, and because of the tension of the elastic band, it slowly made it pop up and then it just exploded up. So it was pretty fun to see, and I got to smash the rest after because I just wanted a little bit more satisfaction after those 2 days. And I got it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Road to 100 subscribers. We're almost there, guys. I think we're about 75 right now, 74. So keep subscribing, keep liking the videos, and I'll keep making them. And yeah, peace out.